Hi there, welcome to my YouTube channel and thank you for joining me today. So in today's video, we're going to look at how to insert or embed a video into your Microsoft PowerPoint presentation. And we have multiple ways and options to insert a video into your Microsoft PowerPoint presentation, and also options to actually get those videos from different sources. But in this video, we're going to actually look at how you can insert this video from your local storage device on your saved video on your PC or your computer devices, or any type of electronic device that actually supports um, PowerPoint. And probably you have a video that you customized, or you already have it already, illustration that you really need it to be inserted into presentation to have it presented to your audience. So without further ado, wasting much of your time, I'm going to walk you straight up through how to do that. So get your PowerPoint ready and join me on how to do this. So first of all, after opening your Microsoft PowerPoint, you're now going to search and navigate to insert icon here, hit the button, and then locate for media. Depending on how your ribbon is actually customized and arranged, you may see the video as an icon separately, not under the media. For my own, the way I arranged is actually under a drop down menu, on a drop down menu under media. So after clicking media, you now locate hit on video, then see this option here, insert from. It's asking you which source do you want to insert a video from. In my own case, okay, in this video rather, I'm going to hit this device. Okay, let me use one of my tutorial video I uploaded. In case you have not watched this, I think you should go to my previous video and look for this, how to shut down your laptop using command prompt. All right, I've already have my video uploaded and also inserted into the Microsoft PowerPoint presentation, and here with me I have a lot of series of options. After inserting the video, I have a play button here which enables me to replay and see if my video is actually working, and also I uploaded the right video. All right, so, and you can actually play it either from here or here, and I have other options also to customize the video I already inserted. This is to correct my view, how I want the video to appear, the appearance of the video, the correction of light, actually lightening of the video. See here, changes everything. And I also have color correction. That's the brightness correction. The next one, color correction. See, appearance. Basically, you can customize however you want it to appear. Then I have poster frames. You see, you can select any one you have. You have reset here button. Then probably you want to reset all this to turn it back to default, how your video originally is. You want to have an original view of your video, you can click on reset and your video turns to normal. You can also click on the drop down menu, you see reset design. You have other option also, reset design and size. That's cool, isn't it? So you also have other more options of editing here. Have different views, different appearances. Yeah. You also have shapes to add to your video. You can actually put it into different shapes. However, customize it the way you want it to be. It looks cool. However, that fits your desired requirements. Also, you see border color, customize the borders. So a whole lot of things you can do with this. So Basically, that is it. And if you want to insert more slides and probably you're lost uh, because you're already on the customization options of the video, all you need to do is just go back to home and yeah, here you can have your new slides. New slides. Basically, that is it for how to insert a video or embed a video into Microsoft PowerPoint presentation. Thank you guys for joining me today. See you next time on the next videos. I am going to be uploading lots more videos like this. And in case you have not subscribed to my channel, please hit the subscribe button and hit the like button as well for more videos like this. Thank you very much and see you next time, guys. Thank you.